So let's get underway now. You know, it's almost impossible these days to have missed the buzz around cloud computing. You go practically anywhere and you'll notice that there's all kinds of information about cloud computing, and you'll also notice that there's usually very big numbers associated with how big cloud computing is and is going to be. In this example, it's the Wall Street Journal saying that the cloud computing market in Germany by 2015 is going to be 8.2 billion euros in size. You know, if you look at what, for example, the Gartner Group, a very respected research organization in the technology field, is saying, this is more historical at this point, but they projected enterprise application software, which is a subset of overall cloud computing, to be nearly 10 billion in 2010. Actually ended up being a little bit bigger than that. They also projected, and you'll see these numbers being pretty consistent across the board, that cloud computing, in terms of the money businesses spend on cloud computing, growing at anywhere between 16 to 20% per year. Now those are significant numbers to begin with, and it's a significant growth rate, far outstripping what businesses are spending in traditional forms of software. This is one of the highest estimates I've seen. You'll see in this slide that they're projecting here that the global cloud computing market is expected to be by 2015 over $100 billion in size, and its growth rate to be something over 26%. Now, different analysts will have different views of how big the market's going to be and how fast it's going to grow, but the point is that they're all saying it's substantial. And if you look, in fact, at companies that are active in the cloud computing space, the NetSuites of the world, the Salesforce.coms of the world, as an example, you'll find that their revenues are actually growing at between 16 and 20%. So it's clearly happening. Now, let's just start, if we could, with a clear definition, at least from my perspective, of what cloud computing really is.